everyone. So today we'll be talking about autism and ABA. It has recently been seen that 1 in every 68 children is diagnosed with ASD, and these children might be facing issues with their daily life activities that we might not be even aware of. So we'll be discussing what is autism, what is ABA, how ABA comes into play, and what are the myths around ABA. Firstly, talking about autism. Autism is a neurological difference that affects how a person learns, communicates, or interacts in a social setup. I've often seen people saying that autism is an illness, but I would just want them to understand that it's not an illness, but rather a different way of perceiving things, perceiving world. And due to these differences comes a different set of challenges, like making new friends or learning a new skill or interacting confidently in a social setup might be a bit challenging, but this is where ABA comes into play. So ABA is basically a scientifically backed approach that focuses on understanding human behavior. It uses positive reinforcement to shape behavior, modify behavior, or build meaningful skills. ABA helps the learner to communicate their needs better, teach them skills that are required to accomplish daily life activities. But ABA is not just restricted to teaching skills, but it also focuses on emotional and social development of the learner. In ABA, we focus on IEP, that is the Individualized Educational Program, wherein we curate goals for the learner according to their needs and potential, keeping in mind their potential, that we are not overestimating or underestimating the learner. ABA is not just for the kids but also for the family, parents or caregivers. ABA helps them to better understand their loved ones. It provides them with the right kind of strategies and tools so that they can contrive teaching situations, they can create more opportunities for the learner. ABA helps the family to create a space where their loved ones can be understood. In ABA, we try and break down the skills that might be challenging or might be a bit difficult or big for the learner into small and achievable steps. And in ABA, we make sure that we are breaking down the steps into achievable ones that are easy for the learner to learn and catch. And we make sure that we are reinforcing, encouraging the student at each step, so that even if they are moving one step, it's okay, because we believe that one step forward is a step forward, because ultimately it's leading us to independence. Up until now, we spoke about what ABA actually is, but I would also like to focus on what ABA is not. So, of course, ABA is not about changing who someone is or, making it more complicated for the learner. So, let's create a space where a unique perspective can be heard, understood, and accepted. Thank you.